Hi guys, we're gonna be doing a
Nothing.
we're gonna be dancing. So wait till we get this ready.
Not
Hi, well Jade will be performing in just a minute if she would stop whining. Okay.
I'm not whining. She's a liar.
She is whining.
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my football, okay?
Stop moving around.
Down is where you really want. It's down in your up in there.
Now sing Catch Your Grenade.
No!
I catch your grenade for you. She's gonna finish the rest. Okay, I'm giving you an ice cream. Here's Jade. Go. Wait. Oops. Go.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Here she goes now. I just did it again.
Easy come, easy. What? Oh, if I don't sing Catch a Grenade, she would move out of me.
Here we go. Dance.
Catch a grenade for ya. Head on the train for ya. Out in front of the train for ya. I was faster for his pen. Just taking that thing through my brain. Guess I would die for you, baby. But you won't do the same. As your body was the same. You're a liar and I am never, ever. You'll never do the same.
Woohoo! Good job. Get back in the camera right here.
Bye.
No,
Have a good day.
no. Now you're dancing to the song, remember? Let's get back. There you go. Go. Wait, oops. I messed up again. Sorry, Jade.
Catch a grenade for ya.
Here we go.
5, 6, 7, 8. Catch a grenade for
It's recording.
But you will do the thing. No, you move out of the way and I'll hold it. Not with you in mind. Remember, your body was on fire. Now get up on that. Was that on pause?
No.
If your body was on fire, now you ever, you'll never do the same. I guess I would die for you, baby. But you wanna do the same. Said you love
Okay.
me.
No.
I'm 7 years old. Please comment. Come on, we're going in.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Say it again.